everyone, it's Erin and Sharon here. We are here today with more real estate tips. Erin, take it away.
Hey everyone, so getting your house ready to sell in the springtime is actually easier than you think. With all the snow melt, you do have to worry about landscaping, but because you can't see all the landscaping at that time, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. So making sure that you maybe buy some more pots and plants to put outside of your home for first impressions, as well as making sure that your curb appeal is top notch. Secondly, we want to make sure that all your windows inside and outside are completely clean. Third, we want to make sure that your mechanical systems are all up in good working order. So that's making sure that your furnace is running properly, same thing with your hot water tank, and also your appliances. Again, making sure that your furnace filter is also replaced. Another big thing is cleanliness sells everything. If you have a dirty home, buyers will see dirt, even if that's dust balls from pets or even just from not vacuuming over a week. So make sure that your home is very nice and clean, your floors are mopped, your dishes, your kitchen is done, and your beds are made. And I promise you that that will make selling your home in the springtime so much easier.